first accessory I'd like to point out is what Striebig will refer to as a strip cutting gauge. In North America, we refer to it as a repeat rip device. The repeat rip device is an option on the small compact saws, but comes standard on the Compact Plus. It's bolted onto the side of the carriage of a compact, here and here, very easily. And by use of this stop on this scale, you would set the dimension of the piece that you want to come from the top of your panel. I'm going to set one here at 8 inches along the scale. And to use it, you simply lift the saw head and gently bring the roller down to the top of the panel. Lock the carriage for your rip cut. Let the roller roll off the panel. Make your cut, and the size of the piece on top will be whatever you have your stop set at, in this case 8 inches. If you care to make another 8-inch piece, you simply unlock your carriage like you normally would, bring it down to what is now the new top of the panel, and repeat the process. It will take into account the kerf of the saw blade, and your finished parts will be exactly the dimension that you intend.